Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 6. Today, we're diving into the basics of MATLAB scripts. Scripts are essential for organizing your code and running sequences of commands easily in MATLAB. Let's get started. Here's the hook. Learn how to save your code forever with Scripts 101. Scripts offer several advantages, including code reusability, better organization, and the ability to automate complex tasks. Let's walk through the steps of creating a brand new script in the MATLAB environment. To start, simply go to the editor and select New Script to open a fresh script file. Inside the new script, you can write basic MATLAB commands. For example, a simple Hello World message. Scripts allow you to combine multiple commands, making your workflow efficient. You can also add commands for data visualization, like a basic plot, directly into your script. Now let's look at how to run and save the script once you're done writing the code. Save your file with a descriptive name, ensuring it has the mandatory datem extension for MATLAB scripts. To execute the entire script quickly, just press F5 on your keyboard. MATLAB will run all the commands sequentially. Scripts are fundamental to working effectively in MATLAB, offering a robust way to manage your code. Remember, scripts give you reusable power. Next up, we'll introduce vectors and arrays. Join us for the next lesson, where we'll explore the power of vectors in MATLAB.